Once upon a sunny morning in the small town of Brightville, there lived a young student named Sam. Sam was a cheerful 12-year-old with a knack for drawing and a habit of wasting time. He'd spend hours doodling in his notebook, playing games on his phone, or daydreaming about becoming a famous artist instead of finishing his homework or studying for tests. "There's always tomorrow," he'd say with a grin, tossing his schoolbooks aside. One day, Sam's teacher, Mrs. Carter, announced a big event, the annual Brightville Art Competition. The winner's artwork would be displayed in the town hall, and they'd get a chance to attend a special art workshop with a famous painter. Sam's eyes sparkled. This was his dream. He imagined himself shaking hands with the artist, learning new techniques, and maybe even becoming famous one day. Mrs. Carter handed out the entry forms, saying, "You have 2 weeks to submit your artwork. Don't be late. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity." Sam was thrilled. He had a brilliant idea for a painting, a vibrant scene of Brightville's park at sunset. But instead of starting right away, he thought, 2 weeks is plenty of time. Days passed, and Sam kept putting it off. He'd watch videos, play with his dog, or nap under the big oak tree in his backyard. "I'll start tomorrow," he told himself each day. His mom warned him, "Sam, time slips away faster than you think. Don't miss this chance." But Sam just shrugged, saying, "I've got this, Mom." The night before the submission deadline, Sam finally sat down to paint. His heart raced as he realized how little time he had. He grabbed his brushes and worked frantically, but the clock ticked on. By midnight, his painting was only half finished, and his eyelids grew heavy. "I'll finish in the morning," he mumbled, falling asleep at his desk. The next morning, Sam woke up to a nightmare. His alarm hadn't gone off, and it was already 8:45 a.m. The submission deadline was 9 a.m. at the school. His heart pounded as he grabbed his unfinished painting and sprinted out the door, his stomach twisting with panic. "I can't miss this," he gasped, running through the streets, his backpack bouncing wildly. But when he reached the school, the art room was quiet. Mrs. Carter stood at the door, holding a stack of submissions. "Sam, you're too late," she said softly, her eyes kind but firm. The deadline was 9 a.m. sharp. Sam's chest tightened. Tears welled up as he looked at his half-finished painting, the colors smudged from his rushed run. "But I worked so hard last night," he stammered, his voice cracking. Mrs. Carter sighed. "Sam, hard work at the last minute can't replace steady effort. Time is precious. You can't get it back once it's gone." Sam trudged home, his heart heavy with regret. He thought about all the hours he'd wasted, all the moments he could have spent painting. The art competition happened without him, and when he heard that his friend Lila won, he felt a mix of happiness for her and sadness for himself. He'd missed his big chance, all because he didn't value time. That evening, Sam sat under the oak tree, his sketchbook in his lap. He drew a single clock, its hands frozen, and wrote beneath it, "Time waits for no one." He made a promise to himself. He'd never let time slip away again. The next day, he started a new painting, working on it a little each day. He studied harder, finished his homework on time, and even helped his mom with chores. Slowly, he felt prouder of himself, knowing he was making every moment count. Weeks later, Mrs. Carter called Sam to her desk. "I heard you've been working hard," she said, smiling. "There's another art contest next month. Want to try again?" Sam's face lit up. "Yes, ma'am. I'm already working on something new." As Sam walked home, he felt lighter, like the sun was shining just for him. He'd learned a hard lesson. Time is a gift, and every second matters. From that day on, he treated each moment like a brushstroke on a canvas, painting a life full of purpose and possibility. Moral: time is a treasure that never comes back. Use it wisely, for every moment you waste is a chance you might lose forever.